back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Sometimes I come across those rare job leads that you don't see very often, and so I did want to share this one because it is from the well-known WebMD. I know we've all looked up our symptoms on WebMD before and probably thought that we were dying from a common cold. But with that being said, the link to this page, if you're interested in applying, is in the YouTube description box below. And I do want to go ahead and say this is going to require some type of associate's degree or equivalent experience. However, they do prefer a bachelor degree. We're going to get into that. But they are looking for a customer care specialist. Now, WebMD not only runs the website that we can go read all the articles, but they have endeavors with health media subscribers. It said patients and end users access their content via televisions in patient rooms, their smartphones, and internet-connected devices, or by using hospital-owned tablets. So hospitals themselves can subscribe to WebMD and have information directly for their patients while they are in the hospital. And so they are looking for somebody to efficiently resolve inquiries or forward to the correct department or person if you can't resolve them. You'll take ownership of each inquiry, assuring that it is resolved to complete satisfaction of the customer. You'll schedule and complete utilization training over the phone. You'll partner with the account management to support renewal and upsell processes. You'll update and maintain accurate customer information in the database and proactively reach out to the customers by telephone to verify and maintain the database integrity, making sure that their information is up to date. So you're going to be dealing with the hospitals and customers that subscribe to this service, not the actual patients. Now, as far as what they're looking for someone who is detail-oriented, very customer-focused, has great telephone etiquette, someone who can think logically, who is organized, and can multitask. Of course, you got to know how to use those Microsoft Office computer systems. Now, it does say for education, an associate's degree or equivalent is required, but they do prefer a bachelor degree. Again, it is a remote position, and pay is anywhere from $17 to $20 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave down below anything specific that you're looking for. You can include any education and experience that you have. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.